Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to withdraw funds from Zerodha. We need to visit the website kite.zerodha.com and over here you have to enter your user ID and password and click on login. Enter the security questions and click on continue. Once you have successfully logged in, Kite user interface looks like this. From the menu you can see there is an option called funds. You have to click on that link. At the top right you can see that there is an option called add funds and withdraw. We need to click on withdraw. Now it will redirect to q.zerodha.com, and from the left side menu you can see there is an option called funds. You need to click on that link. Under equity you can see that it will give you the withdrawable balance. Currently it is showing me 26,000. So enter the amount which you would like to withdraw. After entering the withdrawal amount you need to click on submit. You will get a message, withdrawal request placed successfully. You need to wait for 24 hours so that the money gets credited to your bank account. That's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.